Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I recreated this look right here. I'm so happy. It looks so cute. Like, oh my god. It's cute, huh? I don't know about you, but I like it. Anyways, but yeah, I got inspired by Manny MUA. This is his creation right here, and he recreated a look that Nikki Tutorials did. She was the first one to do it, and yeah, basically based off both of their looks, I made mine. I wanted to do my I've been wanting to do this eye look, so that's why I did it. Because if you didn't know or follow me on Instagram, I have a sty. Yeah, right, a sty on my eye, and that's why it looks like this. Like, it's still like a little red or whatever, but hopefully it is gone soon because I can't apply any eyeshadow on this eye. So I was over here, like, I was so upset that I couldn't do this look, and I have another look in mind and like a bunch more. But you know, I was like, oh shit, I saw that, and I was like, I'm over here stressing because I can't fucking do this look that I wanted so bad. But here it goes. They helped me out. I was like, oh shit, I'm about to do this real quick, and I'm so fucking happy. Like, I love it so much. I can't believe I was being so close-minded and I just didn't think of something like this. You know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna do a voiceover because it'll be way faster. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and you should just comment down below how you found my channel. I'd like to know, like, how. See you in my next video. Bye. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this NYX liner to map out the mask that I'm going to be making. And it's really not that hard. I'm just going to be doing half of my face. And yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my ABH dip brow in the shade Granite. And I'm going to be filling in my brows with this. Ignore my cat. She thinks she wants to be in the camera. But now I'm just taking my Tarts Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to be cleaning up my brows. And with that same concealer, I'm going to be using it to prime my eyelid so I can have a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm just taking this flat brush to blend out the concealer and to apply it also. Now I'm going to be taking this yellow eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be applying it in my inner corner, and that's mainly where I'm going to keep it because I'm going to be using 3 shades. And yeah, I'm just doing packing motions in the front. Now I'm going to be taking this orange color, and I'm going to be applying that right next to the yellow, putting it in my crease. I'm not going to take it all the way out because we're going to be using a different color. Now I'm going to be taking this pink purpley color. I don't even know how to explain this color, but yeah, we're going to be using this one to wing it out because we're going to be doing a cut crease. Alright, so now I'm going back with the orange so I can make sure everything is really nice and blended. I want to make sure there is like a gradient effect in between the colors, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be, as you can see, I'm going back with the yellow so I can get that gradient effect, and that's what I'm going to be doing, going back and forth until I get it to my liking. Now I'm gonna just be cutting my crease. This is just a rough draft. This is what I like to do so I can make sure my concealer is not like combined with the eyeshadow, because sometimes it's like it transfers on the concealer and it makes the concealer get a little color to it. So I really don't like that. So yeah, this is my rough draft right now. And now I'm just gonna be taking a Q-tip and some water. I have some water in this spray right here. I normally use the Garnier makeup remover, but I didn't have that in hand, so I'm just using plain old water to remove the concealer. And yeah, this is my rough draft right here. So now I'm gonna be going again with the same concealer, Tarte Shape Tape, and recreating my cut crease to make sure it's perfect the way I want it. Now I'm just taking this white eyeshadow and I'm gonna be applying that on the top to set my concealer. Right here I tried doing liner on top with the white, but it wasn't working out for me. This liner was not pigmented. I had to press really hard, so I was mad about it. So I'm just taking this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. It's matte, and I'm gonna be using this as my liner today. But I mean, either way, I had this planned. I was like, well, if the white don't work out, I would like to put the pink. So it came out pretty good. I'm not even mad at it. I'm pretty happy in how it came out. But yeah, you don't have to be nice and neat, because you can just go right over it with concealer again, like I'm doing right here, and it'll be brand new, like nice and new. But yeah, now I'm just gonna be applying that white eyeshadow again, just to make sure I set my concealer. Now I'm just taking my Too Faced glitter glue and I'm just gonna be applying that just little by little. And yeah, then we're just gonna apply this yellow glitter that I have. It has like a green reflectant to it and it looks so beautiful. But yeah, just taking my time with it. Alright, so this is how it looks. You can't really tell on camera, but that's the best it could look. So now I'm just cleaning out the outer edge just to make everything look sharp and nice. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara, and I'm gonna add glue to my falsies. And while I let my falsies sit with the glue, I'm just gonna start on my face. Now I'm just taking my L'Oreal Lumi Magic Primer, and this is like a glowing primer. So yeah, I just want my face to look all glowy and stuff. Now I'm just taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 104 foundation, and yeah. Like, oh my god, why the hell she gotta get on the camera view? Like, seriously? But yeah, now I'm just taking my concealers, the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C2, and just concealing where I normally would. And yeah. Now I'm just gonna apply my lashes now that I let the glue get hella tacky. Now I'm just taking my Fit Me loose powder and I'm gonna be applying that underneath my eye. Not really baking, but just setting my concealer. Now I'm going to be taking my butter bronzer in light bronze. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to just be bronzing my face. I'm just taking taking it how I normally would, just so I don't really like mess up here, and just so it looks really nice and blended and like beautiful, pues. Now I'm just going to be taking my Tarte Blush Bliss palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Genuine, and I go more heavy this time than normally I would, because I just want my cheeks to look nice and pink today. Alright, so now I'm going in with that purple pink shade, and I'm going to be repeating the same thing I did from the top. I'm going to be doing that to my bottom lower lash. And yeah, I'm going to just be extending it out a little bit more at the end, as you can see from there. Just repeating the same process. Here I'm just taking a clean brush to make sure everything is blended really nicely. Now I'm just going to set my face before I apply on highlight. And I'm going to be taking these 3 shades from the Nicole Guerrerio highlight. And I'm just going to be applying that everywhere where I normally would. Now I'm just going to be taking only this white shade to highlight my inner corner. And just apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. Can't forget those. Now I'm going in with this Snobby Hot Pink lip liner, and I'm going to be lining my lips. Now I'm gonna apply that same liquid lipstick that I did the eyeliner with for my lip. Now I'm taking a makeup remover wipe just to take off all the extra shit that I had going on out of the mask. And now we're just gonna start the shading part. How exciting. Now I'm going in with this black eyeshadow so I can start shading out my masks to make it look 3D. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. Now I'm going in with that white liner and just highlighting the places where it shows in the mask that they did. Like I said, this eyeliner wasn't the best, but it's pretty good to blend out. Like, I really like it for that. It helped out a lot in blending out. Look at that. Wow, I love that. Now I'm just going back in with a little bit of more black just to make sure it's really defined, that outer edge. And also I'm adding hella highlight because it just makes it look more glossy. To me, pues, it makes it look more glossy. Alright you guys, now this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to recreate this look, make sure you tag me in it. And yeah, you guys have a nice day.